Okay, so this is going to be slightly awkward. The owner is actually outside now. But then again, when am I not awkward? Okay, so Japanese cherry blossom, which I just call cherry blossom. I mean, I feel like the Japanese is kind of superfluous, really. He thinks he's making it nicer out there, but honestly. Anyway, so I'm going to change English to babble. I'm going to do hanger swirl. I said hanger with a hard G. Wow. Been watching too many Keely's videos, that's what it is. I do like a hard G though, it sounds different to what you normally hear. Not a lot of people pronounce hanging like that. But anyway, I digress. I was just thinking about language then, just off in my own little world. I'm going to do white, pale pink and pink, and I'm going to use flamingo pink for the pale pink, which the camera doesn't give a shit about. and I'm going to use party pink. Is it pink? Pink party for the darker pink. I'll probably also put a little bit of titanium in with the flamingo if it's not that different. We need 2 containers. Right, so let's give this a whiz. Actually, what I might do, I think, is I might just pour off some for the darker pink. Let me see. I'm thinking as I go. And then that was a lot on purpose. Because this does discolour. It's got 0.33% vanillin in it, but it does discolour a little bit, so well, and there you go. This thing, I really need to replace this thing. They're also not meant for mixing like this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Jesus, I dropped it on the floor the other day, is I'll pour off some for this as well. They're about the same, aren't they? Pretty close. Alright, so this can be our white, and then, do I have any spoons? Oh, I don't think I have any spoons. Look, it's so pretty. Oh, the camera does not pick up how pretty that is. Honestly. Oh no, I have two, count them, 2 paper towels left down here. Alright, I'm just going to put, actually I'm not going to put as much as I was. So I'll put a tiny little bit in. And we'll, oh Christ. I'm actually coming to appreciate those containers, I've got to say. I don't think the spoon, oh, the spoon does fit in there. Now I want the pinks to be different. So I'll do it all off camera so you can't actually see how much I put in there. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Alright, so let us... I'm pretty sure Japanese cherry blossom's pretty good. I'm not hating that colour. Not hating it. Certainly not hating that one. Okay, I'm just going to get that out and cleaned just in case this does actually play out. And if it doesn't, it doesn't matter. It's clean. There's something on my... Oh, I think it's just black from the mica that I spilt. Okay, let us see. How are you going to behave? You're going to behave, you little ripper. Yay. Or is it? No, there's ricing in there. I can see it. Bitch of a bitch. You bitchy bitch. Okay, I'm not going to fuck around with that. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to there's a mark on there. Just going to pour all of this in here. Don't think I'll keep anything back because I don't feel like I need it. Ooh. I'll spill some down the side on purpose. I'm useless. Honestly. Right. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit in her, and a little bit in there. Not even going to bother stirring them, I'm just going to stick blend them. Put all the bubbles in there. Actually, what I'm going to do is, because I like to do weird things, I'm going to do an in the pot swirl and then pour that in there and then do a hanger swirl. But I'm also going to pour a little bit of this pink over here. And the rest of that can go in there. I don't actually hate this fragrance, honestly. And then I'm going to pour all of this down one side. So I might actually do it on this side. And again, I'm going to pour it from not as high as I normally would. I'm going to give that a swirl. Ooh. Oh, it's so edible. Alright, I'm going to give this a smack down. Actually, I'm going to leave what's left in there. Now, I'm going to go... There's no way he's going to finish all this today. I bet he comes back tomorrow. It's so rude. Anyway, I'm going to go down the side that has no colour. I'm just trying to figure out how I want it to look. Down the side that shouldn't have any colour. Then I'm going to go across the bottom. And then I'm going to start pulling the colour over to the side, and I'm going to do it one more time, make it really messy. I'm going to scoot this off into this container, because waste not, want not. We soapers are a bit weird like that. Just like that. I'm not going to worry about all the yick everywhere. And then, actually, I'm going to give this another smack down. Bring you back. And then I'm going to scrape out what's left in here. And I'm just going to plop it on the top. Because I'm just going to do probably just an infinity swirl or something on the top here. I was going to put some... I don't know what I've just done to this soap. Jesus Christ. What have I done to this soap? I made it look really ugly. Ugh, it just looks ugly now. I was going to put... I've got pink flowers that were supposed to go on top of this. Now I don't know if I should because they're different friggin' pink. What I'm doing is making this not symmetrical. Trying to make this side longer to give it a bit of interest. But I don't think I'm succeeding at my job today. That looks alright, let's do that. And on this one, let's see if we can't get right down into that white. No, there's a big chunk on the spoon. And then, that'll do. I don't know what I'm doing today. Apparently I've forgotten how to soap. It's all the stress over the paper towels. I'm right out of paper towels. This is it. This is the last one. Well, apart from the full packet upstairs. There we go. Okay, this is very messy. Now, I have these, but I feel like they're too dark. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Yeah, bugger it. I'm just going to put them on there anyway. I'm going to put them in here. They'll probably be in the wrong spot. I'll be glad when he goes away. No, it doesn't really affect me. It's just knowing that he's hovering around out there. It's not like I do anything bad to the house or anything. It's just, I feel like I'm just, I don't know. I don't know how, it just makes me feel weird. Alright, we're going to go with Blizzard, of course, because we love our Blizzard. And I'm just going to do that on this side. I'm not sure if I like the flowers, honestly, and guaranteed they'll be in the wrong place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They may not be. I put 10 on there. Wow, that must be some serious muscle memory. Alright, so focus. See how the Blizzard gives it that shine? And then I'll spin it around. And there's the little flowers. And I just made these with cake decorating tools. They're pretty simple. And the soap dough is, which I have not mentioned yet, which I should have because I've used them a few times. It's the Pimp My Soap dough, because I couldn't be asked making soap dough, and her soap dough is freaking fantastic. And I'm not saying that just because Killy is a friend. I'm saying it because it's true. It's so easy to work with. Clearly, I made a bunch of flowers. That looks freaking stupid. It looks so stupid. Don't care. Alright, that's it. 3 soaps. Take photos and go upstairs and put some food on and have a shower and get rid of all of these smells. Because I smell like all these horrible things. Alright, my friends, I'll see you for the cutting. Ta-da! Okay, so there's a good chance I might not actually cut any flowers. I nipped one petal. Well, just one. How good is that? Oh, this was a hanger swirl, wasn't it? Oh, okay, yeah, a real fluid one. I'm keen to see. Oh, wow! Wait to see the next one. Holy cannoli. There's some swirlies going on there. Holy moly. Oh, I like that. Wow. Ugh. Japanese cherry blossom. I see that's the one that I cut accidentally. But that's pretty much the only one. This one's just fine. Oh, you can see, I don't know if the camera will pick them up. There's some very faint swirls all the way down to the bottom. That's just very interesting considering I tried to pour, I think I poured it on one side, did I not? And that was in the pot swirl and then hanger swirl. Wow. There's a lot going on in that soap. There's a lot going on. Oh dear. That little flower on top is fine. Okay, like that one. So that one looks pretty good. Well, you'd be able to see if it wasn't so blurry. No, apparently it's just, there we go. Shook. This is really nice. Oh, I like it. It's a bit busy. Maybe a little bit too busy. Sometimes I think a hanger swirl really only needs one colour, but I like, yeah, it kind of, it's a bit scribbly, maybe. Maybe I over swirled it just a smidge. Maybe I should have only done it the one time, not twice. But there is no turning back. There's very little you can do about it once you've done it. But you know, it's got some pretty colours, so I guess that's what matters. close up. Just the amount of out in the white, the real wispy, quiet colours. It's very interesting. Quiet colours. It makes sense in my head. Shush. That one's just way messy. Yeah, there you go. There you have it. Japanese cherry blossom. Done and done. All my soap's done for today, and hopefully I don't smell like any of them because they're all gross. Oh dear. Yeah, so there's soap down in there now. That's going to stress me out. It's just totally going to stress me out. I have some wicks here. Look at that. See that chunk there? Look at that. That was in there, and that would just sit in there and rot the wood. We don't want that. We do not want that at all. The wires easily replaced, so you don't. I never, like I clean them, but I never overly worry about them because they can be replaced. But the rest of it, you really just need to make sure that you get all the soap off. Which is, I'm going to take this upstairs and take it apart now. Now I've cut all my soaps, and I'm going to go and spray it with some. I'll give it a good wash first, and then spray it with some varnish. And then I won't worry anymore, and it'll be fine. I can just use it without stressing. Alright my friends, glad I'm back soaping again. Hopefully I can get the rest of those done tomorrow because I don't feel like soaping today. And I'll see